Alright guys, working on my wife's '09 Sonata again. So anyway, can't find too many videos on the roll stoppers. So I decided to go ahead and do the front and the rears. Do yourself a favor when you order the rears. Make sure you get something like Anchor. Rock Auto kind of screwed me. They sent me some made in Pakistan shit. So anyway, be careful. As you can see, it's not torn, but it's pretty damn worn out. And I'm doing the front one as we speak with my OTC 1725 engine support bar. Oh yes. They can pay me if they want. So anyway, let me take you underneath real quick. I know it's a crappy video. It's on my phone. So anyway, there she is. And FYI, it'll come out from the top. I'm just about ready to take it out. There's the bracket, yada yada. Do yourself a favor, take off both shields, splash guards, what have you, the front one and the back one. Don't waste your time. As my wife says, sometimes you gotta take off more parts to get to it to make it easier. It's only 3 bolts and 1 through bolt, 47 foot-pounds I believe on the '09 Sonata. That's it. And I'll take a look and see how that one is. I don't think it's torn, but I know it's pretty weak since it's 8 years old, 9 years old. Alright guys, that's the roll stoppers front and rear on your '09 Sonata. And as far as the rear one is concerned, it will come out through the top. I'm sorry about the videos, but it will come out through the top, guys. Trust me.